Old Faithful, mate.
Smooth. Not very far.
It's looking a little bit mismatched on the colour scheme. It's changed a bit.
Do you not like it?
It's a new meaning to two-tone, mate.
We got pre-facelifts.
I mean, this has been sat out the back for quite some time, hasn't it? I love your deep sighs, man.
I lost count of how long it's been sitting there. It was being used quite regularly, but my coilovers gave up. I'm not surprised. They've been on every single E46 I've owned. I mean, I'd think they're pretty good.
Are they eBay
I rate
jobbers?
them. They're yellow FKs, something like 100k, probably more. 5 years, I reckon.
That's pretty good for a few £100.
They're highly recommended. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, finally managed to bite the bullet and buy some expensive ones.
Crowd goes wild, mate.
Yeah, I bought some BCs, so that was like £1,000. Which probably is, I mean, I know that's not even a lot for some suspension. Like,
Quick recap on the car. So what is it?
it was a 320, paid £300. Drove it for ages, decked off on the yellow FKs, which were second hand by that point.
Yeah.
An Amazon man drove into me, smashed up my bonnet, still big dented and it. And then went and bought a 330 donor to cool the underside off, took the engine out. So it's now got a 330 engine, whole back end. Proper size clutch as well for it.
Yeah.
Everything's been under sealed. Got chassis reinforcements.
Got built in the old shed, didn't
Oh,
it?
it's terrible.
Yeah, if you want to go check out some of those
Outside.
videos.
Yeah, go look at the other stuff. That's where we were at, and it was built outside.
We're about to whack it inside the brand new workshop.
Yeah, it's not really been in too much. A bucket seat in it the other day.
Whew. Yes, this has become quite...
I mean, every car I have gets ruined, no?
There's no way not to, really.
Why would I have a 3 litre without a welded diff in it?
Yeah.
Why would you not?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense, man. So,
I'm looking forward to seeing Tandies with you chasing me. You got the picnic basket in the back, all the bikes.
Come on! Squadron of weasels in with us, man.
Yeah. Alright, 6. Shall we get to some work then? Does it look crusty and rusty in there, mate?
It looks wet, which is not what you want. But, I mean, they've had their innings. I'm pretty proud. Pretty proud of them, to be fair. Like, they are very crusty and oily, and there's fluid everywhere. And they definitely need changing. So, la-di-da. Look at these Bobby Dazzlers, mate. They look like they're worth more than my car.
They're very shiny.
Got gold bits on.
Yeah, that's a fine bit of engineering, that.
Quality product, mate.
Yeah, what's the specs on them then?
10k front, 12k rears, question mark, skids, exclamation mark. Let's do some spannering. It's very hot, might take us a while. We'll get there.
That is not supposed to happen.
It's kind of easy, isn't it?
Wow.
I've been
more like a touring now, mate.
What have I done?
So really, you've actually gone for a 4x4 build.
Beautiful, man.
I guess because it's got a much higher spring rate.
I've no idea. I don't know what's set to. What do you set them at?
Well, I don't know. I guess because the other springs are much softer, so it's going to compress more, and they're 5 years old.
I would rather it be less way round than
Yeah.
it be too low and have to put it straight back in the workshop because it's be a bit long, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But I don't know if it'll settle 4 inches.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Alright, you got some adjustments to sort out, and then...
Need to do some painting. It needs to be the same colour before I drive on the road, mate.
What do you mean?
I can't cut it like that.
Alright, what? So it's gonna be, we're gonna do some painting then?
I might even just go get some rattle cans and paint the wings the same colour as the car on a quick thing.
Alright, cool.
May as well.
Up next, a lick of paint then.
Some Volvo paint jobs, and then it gets driven. It's
Okay.
making loads of rattles. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It's very smoky, very leaky, very broken still.
So a bit of TLC, lick of paint. What colour are you gonna go? Or we, I, you?
This colour, green. That was the test. That was the test fit.
Boston green.
I don't know if that Boston green. It'll
Well,
just be like
Oxford green, whatever it is.
It would just be green, mate. Dark green.
Yeah.
From
Weasel Works fleet colour.
You know what I'm saying? Weasel Works green. It's a new hue. Yeah, that was it. Pretty sweaty. Pretty easy actually, wasn't it? Really.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Like, how many bolts did we do? Like 10, maybe. The whole thing has changed.
That was the quickest coilover change I've ever done.
E46s are so good, man. They are so good.
Alright, cool.